the alphabet, in the English alphabet, we have 21 consonant letters and 5 vowel letters. Again, how many consonant letters do we have?
21.
21 consonant letters. How about vowels?
5.
There are 5 vowel letters. Very good. So let us know the 21 consonant letters. So here are the 21 consonant letters. We have, everybody recite, B,
B, C, D,
F, G,
H,
J,
J,
K,
L,
M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V,
R,
W, X, Y,
E,
Z,
W,
W,
Y,
X,
Z.
Y, Z. So these are, again, what are these letters? These are
Consonant letters.
very good. These are consonant letters. All right. Next,
Joe,
there are
Joe,
again
నాడి నుంచి జాయిన్
5
అవు Joe.
vowel
Oh,
letters. Okay, so the 5 vowel letters are the following: A,
E, I,
I,
O,
O,
U,
U. All right. So again, what are the vowel letters?
పండు ఉన్నాడా
A, E, I, O, U.
E, I, O, U.
Okay. So A, E, I, O. So now let us learn or let us know the sound of each vowel letters. Okay? Please pay attention to the video.
You go first.
No, you go first.
Okay, then let's introduce each other. I am A. I make the sound cat. Cat. I am short vowel A.
Okay, it's my turn. I am E. I make the sound red. Red. I am short vowel E. All right, now me. I am I make the sound fin. I am short vowel I.
Oh, is it my turn now? I am O. I make the sound dog. Dog. I am short vowel O. Yeah, it's finally my turn. I am you. I make the sound nut. Nut. I am short vowel U.
Hello everyone. If you want to enjoy the live classes from the foreign teachers, reach to us at these contact numbers. We are offering the courses from the first standard kid to the working professionals. Then what are you waiting for? Join us today. All the best.